Kate's apartment. My name is Chef Emmanuel, and today we are going to be making for you a seared salmon with steamed vegetables. Welcome. Our ingredients today are fresh salmon, thyme, some garlic, onions, orange, lemon, fresh vegetables, steamed, olive virgin oil, black pepper, and it's gonna be amazing. So into our pan, some olive oil, and then we put our salmon inside. As our salmon is cooking for 3 minutes, we are going to saute our vegetables. Well, our dish is ready. Salmon has cooked, as you can see, nice and golden brown, and our vegetables are ready. So now we are going to plate the dish for our clients. This is our magic touch. So our steamed vegetables there, and our salmon. I'm just going to put it on the side like that.
Welcome to Kate's Apartments. Complete hospitality.
From us here at Kate's Apartment, that's it for today. Be sure to visit us for some more amazing dishes.